What is good, YouTube? We're here with a little video for you guys, just showing you about the chemical that we use, SH, sodium hypochlorite, and we're gonna show you firsthand how fast it takes to kill off. As you can see, any kind of algae or mold on the house. I'm gonna be showing you guys firsthand a little time lapse of how fast our chemical can just kill that off with no pressure at all. So stay tuned. Alright, so we got our line, everything set up. We got our chemical in our line already, so go ahead and watch. See how fast it takes for this chemical to do its thing and knock all of this green off. Here you can see me spraying our chemical all over the house, every part of this little porch area as well, making sure I don't miss a spot. While we allow one side of the house to dwell, we are going to go ahead and start cleaning another side of the house, making good use of our time. From the moment I applied the chemical to this side of the house, took roughly about 3 minutes. You can see just about all of that green algae on the side of the house completely gone. What y'all think? It's not even been 5 minutes. And you can see for yourself everything's gone, killed. Where it was built up the most, you can see a little teeny bit, but that'll come off as soon as I rinse it with this hose. like that. just about looking brand new. Using chemical instead of pressure is very beneficial. It saves your, of course, your siding from getting damaged and your brick from getting damaged, and it's a lot easier, and it prevents that algae from coming back a lot longer. So thanks for staying tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next time.